All right, what's going on, y'all? Quick video today. Keep it short, keep it simple, straight to the point. I know y'all enjoy these videos. Excuse my interior, but today, don't talk about my screen. Look at it, still dirty. But today, I'm gonna show y'all how to what's the name of it? Deactivate your daytime running lights at the front, right here. Yeah, for the driver and passenger side, both of them. But I'm gonna show y'all how to deactivate that. So pretty much what you want to do, I got my lights set on auto. So what you want to do before you start your car, this works on most Nissans. Before you start your car, excuse the car, like I said, it's dirty, and then wash it. But you want to push your emergency brake in. You want to push your emergency brake in. Once you get that pushed in, some of y'all have the electronic brake. I don't know if it works for that one, but I know for this one, you push the emergency brake in, it's supposed to disengage the lights in the front. So I'm gonna put the camera in the front. I'm gonna show y'all with it on, and then with the emergency brake engaged. So we'll go from there. I forgot to mention, this is just for when you're stationary, engaging that brake. But this is just when you're stationary, you're sitting up, posted up somewhere, and you don't want those lights on in the front, because you know they automatically running. So all right, y'all, this is gonna be it started up without the brake engaged. So you're gonna see that light. Well, the two, I'm talking about these daytime running lights here, they're gonna be on. So we're gonna start it up. All right, as you can see, they're on. So next we're gonna engage the emergency brake, and we're gonna start the car up after that, leaving the light switch on auto. There you go, they're off. Now just to prove that these are set, like the light switch is on auto, let me take you around. Go here. Got it. Got the lights on. We're gonna go back to the front. Now they're on. Y'all see it? I had to engage the lights just for them to cut on. So now I just got the parking lights on. That was the headlights on. I just got the parking lights on. They're engaged now. Now, I'm gonna go back in here, and I'm just gonna cut them off. As you can see, these supposed to be running at all times. They're off. The next thing, I'll put it back on auto. See, it's back on auto. Headlight's supposed to be on right now. As you can see, they are on. And like I said, I just put you on the stand. Now I'm gonna go disengage the parking brake, and they're gonna cut on. I'm not touching the lights or anything. It's just gonna be these lights here that are gonna cut on. So I'm gonna disengage the parking brake right now, leaving it on auto. All right, there you go. That's your proof right there. That's how to disengage and engage them when you post it up. But thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace out.